this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product that you can later on sell on your WordPress website. Now, in the past, this used to be such a pain in the ass learning how to set up and accept payments and credit card information on your website. But nowadays, the tools make it so easy. And I'm going to show you the easiest tool out there that's free that you can use. So you're going to go to eric.camp/Gumroad. And this will take you to an online software called Gumroad. And here you're going to want to start selling in the top right-hand corner. And you can create an account or just log in with one of your social media accounts. Once you've logged in, you're going to want to click on Products in the toolbar right in the top, and then click on New Product. And in this case, you're going to want to select whether you're offering a physical or digital product. In most cases, you're probably going to be offering a digital product. And you can choose membership, pre-order, or classic. And for this example, I'm going to be selling a PDF called 7 Copywriting Secrets for Beginners. And I'm going to be selling this for $6.99. So I'll enter that in here and click on Customize. And then you want to fill in the information about your product. And as you can see, this is a live preview window of what this is actually going to look like on our website. So describing the product, I'm going to say this PDF includes valuable golden nuggets of wisdom from the world's most successful copywriters, such as Gary Halbert and Joseph Sugarman. So of course you can put whatever you want there. And then we're going to want to add a cover image, which will go along with our product. And if you don't already have a cover image, you can go to unsplash.com, and they have royalty-free images that you can download and use anywhere you want without having to pay for a license for that image. So in this case, I'm just going to search up writing and find a nice writing photo that I want to use with this product. And for this example, I'm just going to download this image. And then I'm going to choose that file. I can see it in my downloads folder. And then I can add in a summary for this product. You'll get a 21-page PDF, or we could say includes 21-page PDF, detailing the 7 copywriting insights for beginners. And as you can see on the right-hand side, our product's starting to take shape. So the next thing we want is to actually upload the product itself, or the content. So to do that, you're going to click on this Upload Your Files button, and you can choose from Dropbox, from existing, which means you've already uploaded it to Gumroad, or it lives on your computer. And I'm going to upload this PDF. And this is what someone's going to get immediately after they pay for your product. So in this case, after they pay $6.99, they're going to get a download link to this PDF. Now you can be really creative about what you include here. So for example, if you were selling a coaching service or a coaching session, you could still create the products on Gumroad, and in the downloadable area, just create a PDF that walks them through how to book a session with you. So really there are no limits. It's completely up to you, but it's important to know that this is what they receive after they pay you. And the pricing, we already set that earlier, but you can change it. And once it looks exactly how you want it, click on Save Changes, and then click on Publish. So after you've hit Publish, you want to make sure that Overlay is selected. Scroll down, and you're going to copy this code, because this is the code that we're going to use to add this Buy button to your own website. And the easiest way to copy it is just click this button. It'll copy it to your clipboard, and then you'll want to get a Notepad app out and just paste that code in. And we're going to save that code for later, because that code is going to need to be pasted into our sales page wherever we want to have the Buy Now button. So there's one last thing that we have to do to be finished where we can accept payouts, and that is to go to our account settings and make sure that we add in our bank account info so Gumroad can actually pay us the money once people buy a product through the Gumroad service. So you're going to click on this drop-down menu next to your account in the top right-hand corner and click on Settings. And then up here, you're going to click on payout, and you want to add your business account information. And Gumroad needs this in order to send you the money once they receive it. So this is very important because you want to get paid. So after you've entered your bank account details and your personal information, you can now receive payments from Gumroad, and you have successfully created a product that you can post live on your website. And that's incredible. It is so easy now to create a website live and for sale using a free software service. I find it amazing. And the sky is the limit here. So you can sell anything you want online. So that's it for this video. I hope you're excited about how quickly we created a product that you can sell and have live on your website.